Welcome to Microsoft Excel tutorial Basic to Advanced Part 2. Today I will describe the listed part for this tutorial Part 2. Copy, cut, paste, font size, font color, fill name, fill color, border, alignment of data, merge, data format, decimal place of number, conditional formatting greater than and conditional formatting less than. I will describe all these points practically. Today I will prepare a practical template to describe all these features listed here. Let's start a salary information of a company. I will describe you all these things practically here. Our target is we will prepare a salary information sheet for employees of a company. Suppose the company name is MS Corporation. I am pressing enter. When I press enter, the selection go down and I am using arrow key, left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So you use this arrow to move from one cell to another cell. Now you can write here address, like this, whatever the address you write here. Now we want to edit this. To edit this, we click the field and edit here. After edit, press enter. The edit applied here. Look here, this line is not capable to place in this column. So let's enlarge the column. Move your mouse pointer here between line of two column. Double click here or press your mouse left button and drag right side. Now the text is here. Let's write down another column heading. So first column heading is serial number, SLO. Next column is employee ID. So enlarge the column. So make the column perfect. Double click. So this is the column, but this column is more spacious than the content. Suppose here we will write 1, 2 like this. We will solve all the problem one by one. Suppose employee ID MC1, first name John Kelly, designation salary $5,000. Suppose we have 5 employees, so we will write down here one by one. So how can we make this in the middle of the column? So select the text and press this center. Now we are in home menu, and in home menu here is the center. So select the text and press here. So the text come up center. For 5 employees, let's we draw a table. For that, we will select the text. This is the heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5. Okay. Now we want to make a table here. How can we do that? You can do that in many ways. So look here, format. So select the text first, then here is different type of format. But now we are using the table format. So for that we are now in home tab or home menu and click here. This is the border option. Different type of border system is here. We will learn it later on. Now we need this all border. It means the top, bottom, middle, everywhere the border will apply. So now this is look like a table. So make this column few enlarge. Okay. Now we want to put the serial number here. So select these 2 number and put your mouse pointer here. Look, when you put your mouse pointer here, the shape is changed. Press your mouse left button and drag it down. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's write the second employee ID. MC2. So if we want to make this employee ID as serial, select the first 2 serial, then put your mouse here, press left button of mouse and drag it down. Look here, MC1, MC2, MC3, MC4, MC5. This is the serial number or employee ID serially. So write down her name. This is the name, and you write down here different designation. Suppose the rest of the people is officer. Let's select the field and copy. Now we are in home tab and click copy. So system will copy the text and select the field where you want to paste this copy text. So we select 3 cell and click on paste. So at a time system copy and paste the information. So write down here salary. We make this salary like this. We will use this salary for later on. Now we want to make these two text middle here. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column. Now we want to place this text middle of this 5 column. For that we will select the all cell like this, because here is our table. So we will select this and we will merge the field. Look here, now we are in home tab and here is merge. So click here, system will merge all the cell. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cell. System merge the 6 cell and make one big cell and put the text middle of the cell, merge cell. At the same way we want to make this like this. So select the cell and click on merge and center. Look here, this is looking very nice. Now we want to make these two texts bigger. For that select the two field and click here. Now the text size is 11. If we move the cursor here, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, click on 20. Now the text is 20. Now we want to color the text. We want to make this text in different color. So click here and choose any of the color from here, or you can select more color from here. Look here, more color. Click here, here is more color. So select any one from here. Suppose we want to select this color, click OK. Look, the text color has changed. Now we want to give a background color for this text field. So click here and select any color from here. Suppose we want to put this color. If you want to make this font color different, you may do that. Now we want to make this template more beautiful. Look here, this all text alignment is left. Now we want to place the heading of this column in middle. So select the heading and click here, center. And now we are in home menu. If you in here, you will not find that. If you here, you will not find that. If we want to make center, we have to click on home and the home tools are here. So we have to select the text which we want to make center and click here, center. So this is looking more beautiful. Now look here, the serial column is bigger. So put your cursor here, press your left mouse button and drag it inside according to your need. Look, this field is now more beautiful. Now we want to make bigger the heading text. So select the text and click here, make this bigger, 14. Now we want to make this field as bold. So select the text field and click here, look, bold. And till now we are in home ribbon or home menu. So this is looking more beautiful. Now we want to put background color of this heading. So select the field and click here, select your color, what you want to put here. Look, this template is more beautiful. Now we want to change the text font. This is not looking beautiful. Suppose we select this all field and we are now in home menu and click here. This is the font selection. So if we drag the mouse like this, automatically font is changing and showing the view. Here is many font. How many fonts are installed in your PC or laptop? You can use all the font like this. Suppose we want to use Times New Roman. This is a very nice font. So select this and your font will change accordingly. And you have to save the work what you have done till now. So click on save. At the first time when you click on save, Excel will ask the name of the file what you want to named and also the location. But after one saved, system will not ask you anything, just save your work. Now we want to change few format of the text. Here is salary field. This is one kind of number field. We know sometimes we use 0.00 after a number. So for that kind of format, you have to select the text what you want to change and click here. This is comma. So system will provide comma and 2 digit after point or decimal. If you do not want to put decimal place, select the number and use this to control to increase or decrease the decimal place. So click here, 1 decimal 0 gone and another one gone. If you want to back, select the text and click here 2 times. So this is the format. Later on we will describe more about the format. Save your work. Now I want to show you another thing. Select this number. I have tell you that this is a status bar, and in status bar many times you will find many information. Look here, system automatically count and sum the information. So here is the 5 pupils salary. Salary average is 3000 and count is 5, means 5 information is here, and sum is 15,000. The sum of the number is 50,000. That means MS Corporation's employees total salary, total monthly salary is 15,000. Put your mouse pointer here and click on auto sum. System is showing the auto sum formula. Press enter. The auto sum is here. You can write down here total. So total salary is 15,000. So we want to put border of these two field. So select these two field and go to border. Look here, we are in home tab, and here is border, and we need all border. Now we want to make bigger of this total field. So select the field and click here or here. If you click here, the text will bigger. Look here, here is hash symbol. When we put mouse here, system is showing 15,000. It means what is the number situated in this field require more space. The column space is less than requirement of this field. So go to here and press your mouse left button, enlarge the field. Look, the 15,000 come here. If we want to make this at the middle, select the text and click here. Now we are in home menu and click center. So text is here. Now we want to bold the text. Select and click bold. Now the text is bold. Now we want to eliminate the decimal place from here. So click here. This is looking simple. If we want to make this in center, sometimes number field use default left alignment. Now we want to apply a conditional formatting. Suppose we want to find out those salary which is greater than 3000 or greater than 4000, like this. So select the text and go to conditional formatting. Now we are in home menu. So click here. Look here, here is many options, but we use these options. Here is greater than. So first we will apply this. Click here, greater than. The greater than rule from come here. So here you can write down whatever your logic is. So 3000 is our target logic, and click here for a different type of color. So click yellow and press OK. Now look here, our rule is if salary is more than 3000, color will be this. Now we want to put another condition for this data, that which salary is less than 3000, we will color it with another color. Select the information text, go to conditional formatting, select here less than, and write down here 2000. And you can change the format according to your need. Look here, here is few, but if you click custom format, here is many. So here is fill color, whatever color you need you can fill it. Suppose we want to fill with this color, so select this color and press OK. And if your logic is that less than 3000, so you have to write down here, click OK. Look here, our first conditional formatting was if value more than 3000, color is this light yellow, and if value is less than 3000, then color is this. And there are many conditional formatting, we will learn this later on. For today, this is our lesson. I hope if you practice it yourself, you may learn more about this tutorial. So today we have completed all this list, the copy paste function, font size, font color, fill color, border, alignment of data, merge, data format, decimal place, conditional formatting, both. Learn all these function or feature more briefly later on. In our tutorial session there are 50 sessions. Now we are completing only session part 2. If you continue all the session, you will be expert in Excel. So practice in yourself and make you more confident about Excel. So today the session is completed. We will provide you next lesson later on. Subscribe this channel to receive the updated parts of this tutorial. So thank you very much for your time.